Hey guys, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. But if you are new, welcome. Today, as you can see from the title, we'll have a different video because I have a lot of things to share with you, and I saw that thrift shopping is so in now. So if you're curious to know what I'm thrifting and what finds I have, so begin with my most precious and beautiful thing, and trendy by the way. It looks so professional and it's also very warm. So basically this is a blazer. Yes guys, as you can see, I just rolled up the sleeves because I love this relaxed feel to a blazer. And don't get me wrong, I get it because it's woolen. It has a lot of wool in it. So basically, I'll read for you. It has 100% virgin wool. So as you know, wool is very warm, so it's perfect for me. Here, I had the price. And yeah, by the way, I ruined it. But anyway, it's underneath and nobody will see this. In try on clip, I'll show you how it looks on me. But trust me, it looks amazing. The brand is Windsor. I don't know if you heard about it. I didn't, but it's a very good find for me. I love it. So because I'm showing this blazer, I'll show my second find, because when I bought it, I thought about this blazer. This nice belt. As you may know, it's very trendy now to have a blazer on, an oversized one, but with a stitched waist. So I decided I'll use this belt to accentuate my waist for the woolen blazer. I don't know the brand because here is not, I don't have anything writing here. And because of our Sweden weather, I have a lot of finds here. I don't know what to think about oversized things, but I just love them. At least when it has natural wool or cashmere, I love it even more. And first will be this cardigan or sweater. It's very oversized. And as you can guess, this is from men's section, and this size is medium. The brand is the original Marc Giobaldi. I heard about this brand. I don't know how expensive it is. The prices, as you can see, I'm writing on the screen. This is, in my opinion, best find because this is a basic sweater, and guess what? It's from men's section as well. I think I'll buy only from men's section because it's so warm and so soft. I love it. It's a basic sweater in a chocolate color, NKD, I don't know. It's made in Germany. And 50 cashmere and 50 wool. Material is just a pleasure. I'm so thankful that I found. So don't mind that I'm touching my face because I just washed it, and it's even softer than it was before. So you'll see in the trial how it looks like. And in my opinion, every woman needs such a sweater in her wardrobe because you can wear it with basically anything. What do you think about it? excited about autumn and winter coming because of these sweaters and hot chocolate. And let's be honest, I'm not drinking hot chocolate, I'm drinking coffee, only cappuccino. I love it, like this sweater. And my next find is a very oversized turtleneck. It's very big, it's 10 times bigger than me, I think. Sorry for my English, okay, because that's not my native language. And for how I'm pronouncing it, Westbury, I think. It's a real classic blend of men's culture. XL, so it's a very big, even for a man it's a very big, but it is in a very good condition. By the way, guys, I don't like to buy not qualitative materials, or when you can see that this sweater was much pre-loved, I don't like to buy them. I took out these balls, small balls, I don't know how to call them, but just some of them were here and on that cashmere one, and I love it. You can see how it looks like on me. I love it. You can wear it with a belt as well if you want to make it like a sweater dress looking. Next one will be finally a sweater in my size. Actually, it doesn't have anything brand or any. And guys, I love it. I'm sure it has some mohair, I think. Here, because it is very soft. It's even softer than cashmere, and it is very fluffy, if you know what I mean. And finally, this sweater that is paying so much attention to it. Ta-da! Oh my god, it's so colorful, so pink and so me. As you can see, I love these bright colors. I don't know why, but especially when weather is not that beautiful. Now is nice because we have leaves down, everything is yellow and orangey. But this one, this is a love. This is a girl love, I think. And it's Jessica brand. I cannot see what is from what it's made because here the tag was cut off. It's not like a cashmere or something like that, but it has some wool here, about 20% or maybe less. But I like it. It's so beautiful. You can see in the try-on portion. I got some stretchy leather looking leggings. I cannot say anything about have a tag or something, but actually you can see that is from a cheap material, but I don't have any leather leggings, so I decided why not to keep them and get it and take it with me at home. And now I wear it so many times with my sweaters. Okay. That you enjoyed this type of video. I know this is something very different than what I'm doing usual, but you know what? And I know you think as well that it's too boring to do only hairstyles, even though don't worry, I'll do more hairstyles as well on this channel. I thought that everybody now is talking and very worried about the ethical fashion and so on, so I decided why not to try it with the thrifting, and I decided that this video will inspire you too. By the way, tell me please in comments down below what you think about this video, and if you'd like me more videos to do with this type of content, or maybe shopping content, or what style videos. I'm so open to do something different, because to be honest, I'm a little bit bored already of hair, because I'm always working with hair. I have a lot of tips. If you need, I can do a video on this as well. And if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and tell me please in comments down below what kind of videos you would like to see here on my channel. Also guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video, because I plan to do a lot of more. I hope that this video will inspire you to thrift. This is not a shaming thing or something like that. You have to wash your things and everything will be just okay. So guys, love you so much, and hope to see you soon in my next one. Bye!